Do you ever feel like you get going strong but then lose steam? You are going to learn today how to become so determined that nothing can stop you, not even loss, fear, or setback. We're doing it by following the famous lessons of Miyamoto Musashi. Lesson 1. Start tiny, win today. A big reason why some people don't become determined is that they start out too big. They try to make all the changes at once and take on huge jobs, but then they fail because they have too many expectations. Miyamoto Musashi knew that you can't become a master in a single step. Small wins over time are what build it. Step by step, climb the mountain, he wrote. In other words, you don't get to greatness by running, you get there by gathering speed. The key to unwavering drive is to start small, because the brain thrives on progress, not perfection. Your mind will tell you, I can do this, every time you win something small. Every little thing you do makes you trust yourself more. And having faith in yourself is what makes you determined. It's easy to follow through when you believe in yourself. You move. This is how Musashi trained. He always stressed repetition, accuracy, and consistency, whether he was training sword strikes or becoming more aware. In every moment, he didn't try to become great. Instead, he tried to get better every day. These are the steps you need to take to reach your goals. Instead of trying to change everything about your life all at once, pick one small thing you can do today. Something so small that you can't fail. Want to get in shape? Do 5 push-ups to begin. Do you want to write a book? Write a sentence. You want to be more disciplined? Start your day 5 minutes earlier. You want to be more focused? Take a minute to breathe deeply. Every little thing you do is a win that makes you more determined. Your mind starts to think, I am someone who follows through. That identity turns into a strong force. You set a pattern when you win today. You make it stronger when you win tomorrow. After a month of small wins, the momentum can't be stopped. If you want to be determined, you need to be consistent, not intense. Musashi taught that the road to mastery lasts a lifetime. You need to be patient and keep going. You should be proud of the small win you had today because it brings you one step closer to becoming a hero. Begin small. Win today. And those small wins will add up to unwavering drive. Lesson 2. Keep your eye close. When your goal is unclear, your determination decreases. It's easy to quit when you forget why you started. Miyamoto Musashi thought that everything we do has a reason for doing it. Do nothing that is useless, he wrote. This means that everything we do must have a deep reason behind it. Your eye holds you down. It's why you have to go through hard times. That's why you won't give up. When your drive runs out, it's your emotions and faith that keep you going. Because drive will fade many times. And when it does, your goal needs to take over. Plan out your goals. Why do you need them? Why do you want to do this? What do you want to happen in the future? Your drive is weak when your why isn't clear. Your determination is unbreakable, though, when your why is strong, clear, detailed, and emotional. Why did Musashi do what he did? His goal was control, knowing himself, and telling the truth. That goal got him through fights, injuries, hunger, being alone, and many other problems. It shaped the practice he kept up until he died. He knew that a warrior who doesn't have a goal is already beaten. Being brutally honest with yourself is the only way to build unwavering drive. Why should I not give up? Why does this matter to me? What will I miss out on if I give up? What kind of pain will I feel if I don't move? Your goal should be in front of your eyes every day. Make a note of it. Hang it up. Every morning, read it. When you feel weak, say it out loud. Because the most important thing you have is your why. Your why wakes you up when you're tired. Your why tells you what's important when you're feeling down. Your why tells you to keep going even when things get hard. The will to succeed dies without a why. When you have a why, you can't stop being determined. So stay close to your goal. Keep it with you like a warrior keeps his sword close. It leads you, gives you energy, and makes you strong. Lesson 3. Lean into the hard part. A lot of people give up because they don't want to do what's hard. They want benefits without the pain. They want growth, but not at the cost of something. This is not what Musashi taught. You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain, he wrote. But on every path, you have to face difficulty head-on. You can only become more determined if you learn to face the hard parts head-on. In order to train harder, Musashi often picked the harder way. He fought with wooden swords instead of steel ones, walked instead of riding horses, didn't have a lot of nice things, and trained in rough places. But he knew that picking pain would make his mind strong enough to not be broken. If you want to be determined no matter what, you need to learn to see problems as opportunities. The tough parts are where you grow. Weakness dies in the hard part. The hard part is where the world you want to see is made. Fear, self-doubt, weakness, other things. Wanting something, uncertainty. You stay weak when you avoid these obstacles. You get stronger when you face them. When you face problems head-on, your mind learns a strong lesson: I can handle this. And once your mind thinks that, you can't be stopped. Move toward the resistance when you feel it. When a job makes you feel bad, you should start it right away. Even if you're scared, do something. When your mind wants an easy way out, pick the one that matters. Your drive will grow as you do this more and more. The hard part stops being your enemy and turns into a place where you can improve. Musashi thought that a warrior should stay calm in battle, not because it was easy, but because he had taught himself to do well when things got tough. It's the same with your life. Problems stop ruling you when you accept that they are uncomfortable. Instead, you take charge. It doesn't make things easier to lean into the hard parts. It makes you stronger. And strength is the key to being determined no matter what. Lesson 4. Fail fast, learn faster. People are only destroyed by failure when they get it wrong. A lot of people believe that failing means you should stop. Failure is actually the best teacher you will ever have. From one thing, know 10,000 things, Miyamoto Musashi wrote. This means that if you are ready to learn from your mistakes, they can teach you things that will change your whole life. Staying determined doesn't come from not wanting to fail. When you use failure as fuel, you get it. As Musashi trained, he failed a lot of times. In practice, he lost fights, made mistakes, misjudged his opponents, and had problems with himself. But instead of giving up, he thought about each loss. He changed, got better, learned, and adjusted. He became unbeatable not because he was perfect, but because he learned how to learn new things quickly. Failure is only dangerous when you don't learn from it. Failure can be a gift if you learn from it, accept it, and use it to make you better. You'll know what works and what doesn't work faster if you act quickly. It's okay to fail. It is not repetition without learning. What went wrong? How can I do better? What did I learn from this? Failure is information, not who you are. Change a few things and try again right away. People who don't have much drive are stuck because they're afraid of losing. They pause, think too much, and hurt themselves. But being strong-willed means taking risks, failing quickly, and learning from your mistakes. Musashi knew that a fighter who was afraid of failing was already lost. He thought that making a mistake should make you better, not worse. Nothing can stop you from learning quickly if you train yourself to do so. Fail quickly to build mental toughness. Smart people learn things quickly. When put together, they make unwavering purpose. Every story of success starts with a lot of loss. People who don't let mistakes stop them are the ones who rise. They learn from every mistake and use that knowledge to get stronger. Giving up is not the end. It is the start of becoming a master. Lesson 5. Guard your time fiercely. People waste their time all the time, even though it's their most important weapon. Musashi was very strict with his life. He avoided things that would distract him and talks that were not necessary. Instead, he focused on his training very hard. He thought that a fighter should never waste time because it makes the spirit weak. Internet sites, stupid entertainment, alerts all the time, people who are bad, not important duties. People will steal your time if you don't watch out for it. There is also no time for desire to grow. You must treat your time like a precious resource if you want to become unwaveringly determined. Keep it safe. Handle it. Use it on purpose. The power you have is your attention. Stop the things that are draining it. You don't have to work hard on everything. Musashi wrote that people should not do things that aren't important. This is still true today. Do not let other people distract you. More often, say no. When your days are planned, not random, you are more likely to be determined. It makes you more determined when you make things easier in your life. You live reactively when you don't protect your time. You give in to urges, distractions, and interruptions. This makes you tired, loses your attention, and stops your progress. But if you are very careful with your time, you live proactively, you make your life, not life make you. Musashi often spent time by himself to improve his skills. He knew that being alone made things clear. And clarity made people more determined. You don't have to shut yourself off totally, but you do need to learn how to make mental space where you can focus. Your plans need time. It will take time for you to change. You need time to find your inner power. You give up your future when you waste time on things that don't matter. So take great care of it. Keep it safe like a warrior keeps his life safe. Because the time you have is your life. Lesson 6. Promise yourself, then prove it. If you don't do anything, your determination is useless. A lot of people tell themselves things they'll do but never do them. They say they will change, get better, and work harder, but what they do doesn't change. Musashi Miyamoto thought that your words should be iron, especially when you say it to yourself. He wrote, "The body of yourself must not cause you to change." This means that you shouldn't let your feelings, laziness, or fear stop you from being committed. You get stronger on the inside when you keep a promise to yourself. If you break that promise, it makes you less determined. Make a promise to yourself and then follow through on it. You have a chance to keep your promise every day. It makes no difference how small the promise is. What counts is that you do what you say you will do. You should get up early if you say you will. Train when you say you will. Do what you say you'll do and stay on track. These steps become the basis of unwavering purpose. You trust yourself more when you keep your word. Having confidence makes you more determined, not proof of purpose. This is what Musashi lives by. He worked out even though he was tired. He practiced even when he didn't enjoy it. His behavior was based on his rules, not how he felt. That's why he became famous. You need to change too. Promise yourself something. Note it down. Call it out. Then do something. Make another promise after you've proven it. One more. Promise after promise builds discipline. A lot of people quit because they don't do enough. War heroes do things. What you do, not what you say, shows that you are determined. When you keep proving yourself through acts, you can't help but believe in yourself. Keeping a word makes you stronger. When you break a promise, you lose strength. Be someone whose words really mean something. To yourself, not to everyone else. No one or nothing can break your resolve when you fully trust yourself.